we are learning to count backwards in tens. The equation we have is 46 take away 10. I know that the hundreds board has 46 right here. I could go back in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the answer would be 36. That's a really slow way of doing this. We can count backwards in tens by simply going straight up the hundreds board. This is the coolest strategy in maths. If I'm at number 63 and I take away 10, I know that I'm only going to need to go up to 53 because my ones number, my 3, stays the same, and my tens number, I'm taking away one group of 10. So 63 take away 10 equals 53. Doesn't matter where I am on this hundreds board. I can always picture this in my brain and think to myself, if I'm taking away a group of 10, I just go up the hundreds board. My question is, there were 76 lambs in the paddock and 10 had to go into the truck. How many lambs were left? 76 on the hundreds board. I know that I can taking away one group of 10. So simply going up to 66 gives me this answer. 76 take away 10 equals 66.